The wiring is all done from the front with pre-assembled wires, which saves time. The wires are fixed in the corresponding comb profile after connection to the component, guided to the right or, as in this case, to the left. The bracket tabs prevent the wires from slipping out. Without cable ducts to make accessibility to the components difficult, the wiring can be done quickly and efficiently. Mounting of the units and even more importantly wiring are always done from the front. Wire holders prevent X-wiring and simplify rewiring. Through the use of different easy-to-exchange comb segments, even cables with a larger outer diameter can be easily fixed. For controllers with multiple single wires, special combs with a large capacity are used. The assembly of wire holders ensures a clean wiring installation and a tidy cabinet. The wires are always easily accessible, making subsequent modifications very easy. If a wire needs to be traced in the cabinet, just take it out of the wiring profile and move it around a bit. Alternatively, the single wire can also be traced between the modules. The wiring is completed by inserting the cover. The covers are available in different widths depending on the application.